Managing diabetes isn't about eating less, it is about eating smart and on time. Struggling with sugar levels? This diet plan is designed to help control blood sugar levels and promote healthy eating habits for people with diabetes. And today I'm going to share with you a 7-day diabetic diet plan with timings. The timing of meals and snacks is an important part of this plan as it helps regulate insulin levels and prevent hypoglycemia. This 7-day meal plan could change everything. Let's discuss the doctor-approved diet chart. So these are some sample meal plans for a diabetic diet, so let's get started. Daily morning ritual before breakfast. Fenugreek water. Soak 1 tsp fenugreek seeds in 100 milliliters water overnight and boil it for 5 minutes. Add pinch of turmeric plus cinnamon. Drink first thing in the morning. Daily breakfast guidelines include protein plus complex carbs plus healthy fat optional. 1 cup black coffee, no sugar or cream. Day 1 Monday 8 o'clock am breakfast. 1 boiled egg plus 1 slice multigrain toast plus cucumber slices. 1 cup black coffee mid-morning. 10:30 am snack. Apple plus 6 almonds. Lunch 1 o'clock p.m. 1 cup cooked brown rice plus dal lentils plus spinach stir fry. 1 bowl salad cucumber, carrot, lettuce. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt with a few berries. Dinner 7 o'clock p.m. 1 cup quinoa plus grilled salmon plus bitter gourd warm turmeric milk unsweetened almond milk. Day 2 Tuesday 8 o'clock am breakfast. Vegetable oats upma plus 1 boiled egg black coffee mid-morning snack. 10:30 am cup watermelon. Lunch 1 o'clock p.m. 2 small multigrain rotis plus methi fenugreek dal plus cabbage stir fry. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. roasted chana or 1 ts flaxseed. Dinner 7:00 p.m. moong dal khichdi plus steamed broccoli cup Greek yogurt. Day 3 Wednesday 8 o'clock am breakfast. Besan gram flour chilla with mint chutney. 1 cup black coffee mid-morning snack. 10:30 am 1 orange or guava. Lunch 1:00 p.m. 1 bowl rajma plus 1 cup brown rice plus cucumber salad. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. buttermilk plus 1 walnut. Dinner 7:00 p.m. grilled tofu, tia, spinach plus small bowl of lentil soup. Day 4 Thursday 8 o'clock am breakfast. Smoothie with unsweetened almond milk plus berries plus chia seeds. Black coffee mid-morning snack. 10:30 am banana plus 1 ts peanut butter. Lunch 1:00 p.m. 2 bajra or jowar rotis plus bottle gourd curry plus dal. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. roasted pumpkin seeds. 1 ts. Dinner 7:00 p.m. grilled chicken breast plus bitter gourd stir fry plus salad. Day 5 Friday 8 o'clock am breakfast. 1 boiled egg plus avocado toast multigrain. 1 cup coffee mid-morning snack. 10:30 am handful of strawberries. Lunch 1:00 p.m. vegetable dahlia broken wheat plus curd. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. 1 tsp flax seeds plus herbal tea. Dinner 7:00 p.m. paneer tikka plus green beans plus 1 small roti. Day 6 Saturday 8 o'clock am breakfast. Poha with peas and lemon black coffee mid-morning snack. 10:30 am 6 soaked almonds plus 2 walnut halves. Lunch 1:00 p.m. grilled fish plus cup cooked quinoa plus steamed veggies. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. low-fat Greek yogurt with cinnamon. Dinner 7 o'clock p.m. masoor dal, tia, zucchini plus 1 multigrain roti. Day 7 Sunday 8 o'clock am breakfast. Vegetable omelette plus 1 slice multigrain toast. 1 cup black coffee mid-morning snack. 10:30 am coconut water plus 1 hard-boiled egg. Lunch 1:00 p.m. chickpea salad with olive oil, tomato, cucumber, lemon. 1 bajra roti. Evening snack 4:30 p.m. unsweetened herbal tea plus roasted lotus seeds. Dinner 7 o'clock p.m. tofu or grilled chicken plus spinach plus cup cooked lentils. General tips: drink 2.5-3 liters water or day. Walk 30 minutes after meals. Limit portion size. Avoid fruit juices and processed carbs. Use cinnamon in yogurt, coffee, or breakfast oats. Track sugar levels regularly. Avoid added sugar, fruit juices, and white carbs. Bonus tip: yes, diabetics can eat bananas in small portions. Are you shocked? Let me explain how. Tips for diabetics eating bananas. Do this: eat 1 small banana, 6 or less. Avoid this large bananas or multiple per day. Do this pair with protein or fat, for example, peanut butter, yogurt. Avoid this in empty stomach. Do this: choose just ripe bananas, not overripe. Avoid this: overripe bananas equals higher sugar. Do this: prefer as a mid-morning or post-workout snack. Avoid this: avoid at night. If blood sugar spikes overnight, monitor blood sugar response. Assuming natural equals safe. Without tracking levels, take care and eat smart.